before you all to conduct this program. So here I am. As I am feeling marvelous standing before you all because as I feel that it's a golden opportunity for me, for my team and for you all being over here. As addressing a gathering is not a simple job because as we come here, our body starts shivering. We start hesitating. The words which used to utter from our mouth used to get wrong, and also the ideas which we have in our mind used to get vanished. So as I feel that what I believe, you also believe the same. Coming here is not a simple job, but it's an only demon way by which we can remove our fear, we can lower down our fear. So as a quote strikes in my mind, said by a great social worker, Mother Teresa, quote, as yesterday has gone and tomorrow has not yet come, but we have only today, so let's begin. Without wasting much of your time, I want to introduce today's program, as all the speakers will come one by one and they will share their thoughts, views on the topics such as beauty, determination, courage, time and many more. So as the first speaker of the today has topic time. As my dear friends, the topic seems to be small, but it means a lot. My dear friends, Albert Einstein says in the language of science that what clock reads the time. But as we take its own real life, my dear friends, time and tides waits for none. So please welcome, let me please invite the first speaker of the day, Pramod Kumar.
To give me an opportunity to say something. I am standing here to say something about success. Success and dedication. There are combination of success and dedication. If we have dedication, then we can get all things in our life. I want to take an example of APJ Abdul Kalam. Who knows a boy which delivers newspaper in his childhood, he becomes a Prime Minister of India. So, if we have dedication, then we can make our dreams in our life. And I want to say about dreams. Dreams not only that we take in nights. Dreams, I want to say in Hindi that सपने वो नहीं होते जो रात में जो सोते वक्त हम लेते हैं. सपने वो होते हैं जो हमें सोने नहीं देते. So I want to say that we should take dreams because there is nothing without taking dreams. If we take dreams, then we have to courage to complete that dream. And now I want to take an example of Sachin Tendulkar. Who knows a small child, a 16 years child can become a master blaster or cricket century. So everyone knows now, and everyone knows like example Virat Kohli. People shows that he will be second master blaster. He plays a very important role in the Indian cricket team. So friends, I want to say that be happy and always dedicated. Be dedicated to fulfill your wills. And now, thank you, sir, and thank you all of you to listen me carefully. Thanks to all.
So now I am going to invite our next performance, Mr. Moolchand ji.
Good morning, coming projectors. This is Moolchand speaking. Today I got a chance to speak in front of you. Today's my topic is life. As you know, life is precious and valuable gift given by the God. God give a chance to get success, to get peace of mind, to start self-discovery. We divide our life in four parts: social life, personal life, family life, and professional life. Personal life. Personal life is decide we will get success in future or not. What we think, what we do, what we learn, what we speak, how we get knowledge, where from. So that thing is decide to get success or not. What is success? Success means you have creativity, you have peace of mind, you have happiness. So many ways we can get energy. We think positive, we read motivational book and cultural and religious book. We spend our time with elder people, get moral knowledge. Second is family life. In family life, many persons conduct in our family life, like parents, grandfather, grandmothers, cousins, and many more. So our responsibility is that in family life we respect our elders, we spend our time with our elders and parents, and we get moral knowledge by our elders people, and we love each of member, our family members. Second is professional life. That is such a field, a work field, where we show our talent, where we show our ability. Such types place. We have 100% ability, but we don't use it. Every person has 100% ability. Some people use it 10% to 15%. They become IPS officers, doctors, engineers, actors, and sports players. Some people use his ability 12% to 25%. So they become scientist, poet, and writer. They like his works and hard works, so they get success. Some people use 100% his ability. We call them Mahapurush, Mahatma, like Ram, Krishna, Muhammad Sahib, Isa Masih, Guru Nanak, Kabir Das, Mirabai, and Baba Jagdev. They teach us politics. They make us a good citizen. They tell us what is reason behind get human body, human life. Fourth is social life. We are one, our culture is one. Whole nation people as a family member. We divide our society in many castes, creeds, and religions. God made us only human. Against our nation enemy, we won our freedom by such a bravery peoples. So, present time, many evils front of us, front of our nation, like illiteration, dowry, poverty, reservation, and many more. So our responsibility is that in social life we will have a fight against such a devils, evils, and two will be a good citizen. After that, a new life will be began also, because our body is death, body is finished. Else I will give you finished, and I send you hells and heavens, where we get knowledge, God knowledge and God empire knowledge. So we will have to go to holy persons, means Mahatma, Rishi, Muni, Peer, Pegambers, where we found something. Life is a rose, so enjoy it. Life is a struggle, to accept it. Life is a problem, solve it. Life is a decision, take it. Life is a mission, so complete it. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Mr. Moolchandji. Clap for him again. Now turn goes to me. Today I would like to tell something about body language. Body language is very important for a student and its performance. Where thought, feelings, extension are expressed by physical behavior, such as facial expressions, body posture, gesture, eyes movements, touch and use of the space. These all are things very important for a student, because when all eyes of an audience upon you. So if we talk about facial expression is the integral when expressing our emotions thought. It is a combination of our eyes, lips, eyebrow and cheek movements from different moods of and different individuals. For example, happy, sad, depressed and angry. The process. And the other element in our facial expressions can convey our feelings with audience. And if we talk about posture, our sitting and standing posture are also indicate our emotions and connect with audience. And the gesture is made with body parts. For example, our legs, use your hands and use your body parts to convey feelings to our audience, to release our tensions. So, and handshake is commonly greeting rituals. It's commonly done on greeting, meeting, and offering congratulations, and after complete an agreement. Guys, if we all bring all together, it makes a superb energy. It takes its skills and present it.